sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think about angels that walk by. I think about angels that walk by.
Welcome back, everybody, and good morning from Kunming. Kunming is the capital of Yunnan province, as I've said before in other videos. I've been living in Kunming for about 4 months, and today I'm going to do a little bit of traveling. I'm at the Kunming railway station, the main railway station in town at the moment. And I've been going to school here for about 4 months, and I kind of need a vacation, a little break for myself to get away. So I took Friday and Monday off. I'm going to have a little bit of a long weekend, and I'm going to travel to Dali, which is a popular tourist destination in Yunnan province. It's famous for its ancient town that they have there, a lot of old architecture, temples, some really beautiful pagodas, and there's a really cool lake. And everybody that I've spoken to that's been there has really loved it. So I thought I'd take this opportunity to check it out. But while I'm doing this, I figured it'd be a good opportunity to show you guys how it is traveling by train in China. It's relatively cheap for the most part. Public transportation in China is usually pretty cheap, and it's top-notch. It's usually, all the trains are usually on time. But this train I'm taking is a little more expensive than normal. It's a fast train, which adds a bit to the price. And then Dali, like I said, is a popular tourist destination. So I'm sure that's a little bit of the price as well. I think it's about $20 US one way for about a 2.5 hour trip, which is the most expensive I've paid for a train ticket in China. But anyway, we're arriving at the station, and I'll show you how it goes. I'm going to try and go through security with my camera. We'll see how that goes. And I'm in. Had a little issue with security. I was filming through security, and they got a little suspicious of me, being a foreigner and filming through there. So they kind of stopped me and asked where I was going. But I didn't have any issues. But the next step here is to purchase my tickets. Head over to the ticket window, and I'll show you how that goes. So, 我得去 Dali.
You want to buy a ticket?
对，一张票去 Dali.
今天的吗？
今天对。
First one is this tree. Start time is 10:42.
好。
为了您的人身安全，乘坐请依循法上前方。
I've made it into the train station. I'm in the waiting area now, and I haven't found my platform yet. I was going to do that here in a minute, but I wanted to show you guys the ticket really quick. If my camera will focus, there we go. I covered up the bottom part because it has my name and my passport number on it. You don't need that. But as you can see, part of it's in English, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You have Kunming with an arrow going to Dali, and D8692, the train number, so that's easy to find. You have the date, the price 145 kwai, which is about 20 US dollars one way. And over here we have car 2 and seat 17A. So it's really not that difficult. And you don't really need to know any Chinese lettering, even though there's no English here in the station really. But I was going to walk around and try and find my platform now. I've got about an hour to kill here in the station. We've got a lot of souvenir shops, as well as shops where you can buy you know, snacks and stuff for the train. Instant noodles, alcohol, things like that, cigarettes. You can actually smoke on the trains, which is weird. There's smoking areas, but they're not really ventilated. They're just in between the areas of the cars. If I remember, Dali was around here last time. I've been here before, going to Guizhou province. Let's see. Fortunately, I know the characters for Dali, but then I just need to look for my train number. Nothing there, not over there. Oh, here we go. I see it over here. It's kind of pretty. Here we go. So here's my train. D8692, that's my train. 1042. And the character's right there, Dali. So this is where I need to be. So I'm gonna hang out here for about an hour and then head down to the actual platform and jump on the train. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
南方这一块儿，过2天回去有给他好好谈，好好谈这一块儿啊。如果说我们那个方案就是知道怎么去进行，到时候看是怎么操作。你要不要里面嘛？这个南方这块先放。2号车的旅客注意一下，我是本次列车的乘警，特别提醒一下会抽烟的哈。公车上包括卫生间在内的所有地方，全列禁烟，列车上不能抽烟。
Made it on the train. I'm on my way to Dali now, and from what I can tell, this is quite a bit nicer than the slow trains that I've been on. It's clean, it's modern. People aren't smoking on the train or rolling down the windows, so it's going to be a nice journey. I'm just going to listen to some music and read my Kindle and relax for a bit. So I'll see you when I get to Dali. that's it, everybody. I made it to Dali. It was a pretty nice train ride, pretty relaxing. The fast train is definitely much nicer than the slow trains that I've been on in China. Like I said before, it was a lot more modern, a lot cleaner, it was quieter. People weren't smoking on the train, so you didn't have secondhand smoke to deal with. And the bathrooms were much nicer too. They actually had Western toilets and a sink, which was nice. The ones on the slow trains, it's usually just a squat toilet, which can be pretty disgusting. I hope you learned something about traveling by train in China, or found it interesting at least. Anyway, I'll catch you next time.
Cause it's